Now the primary source of transportation in the province is this right here, the trikes. The trike drivers. How much do you guys charge? Magkano? 15? 15 pesos. So you can see all these trikes ready. They're here next to the SM. You got a pokey boy over here. Pokey boy. All these pokey drivers. Oh. Oh, talaga.
Babayron driver. Here, chick boy.
Chick boy.
Oh yes. Like this, oh, timo lang. No. Anak babayro. Like this. No. Very nice, babayro. Sir, it's lalakiro. Lalakiro babayro because I'm lalakiro.
Hello po. These guys are anxiously waiting rides. They wait their turn. They work very well together. You know, they take care of each other. So. So the main thing. So a question for you guys. With the Philippine government trying to change the trikes to the more fuel efficient trikes, what do you guys think about it? You know the trikes from India? Oh, what do you guys think? Oh, Hindi. No. Because yeah, because those trikes from India cost very mahal, right? Very expensive. Yeah. So that's.
Traffic.
So one of the problems will be if the Philippine government trying to institute the fuel efficient vehicles from India to replace these trikes right here. They cost too much for the drivers, so it's a standoff between the Philippine government and the trike drivers around the Philippines. So you can see the family right here is getting in. So all the different trike drivers. It said they're all lined up over here for people coming out of the SM Mall right here. So we're working very well together.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Hey guys, this right here is some of the newer trikes, more fuel efficient compared to the other ones.
That was made from India.
How much did you pay for it? Magkano? 180,000 pesos, made from India. These type of little trikes are the one eventually replacing the trikes over there, because these are more fuel efficient, better for the environment compared to these type of trikes right here.